Hello Jam, you're welcome to Lock Life with Lola Classic, and today I'll be sharing with you how I style my scarf on my starter locks. So I will be sharing 5 styles that you can also create on your starter lock that I do all the time. And yes, I'm so happy and excited to share them with you. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bells. For this style, we'll be needing locks to be free, so yikes, that's what I am currently doing. So just free the ends of your locks in its natural state. And that's me checking out how my 6 month starter locks is flourishing and it's looking so beautiful. So for this, you wouldn't just be needing a scarf. Any kind of scarf is okay as long as you can fold the ends into two, just like the one I am holding, so in a triangular shape. We are going to make sure that our locks is sitting in the right place, so and then we push them to the back, the front side we're pushing them to the back so that the scarf can sit on the forehead. So just look at me. It is time to tie the scarf. After folding the scarf into the triangular shape, and then you're going to fold the edge twice, 1 2, just like what I'm doing. And then it is time to place the scarf on your head slash locks. So if you have a big forehead like me, you can just use your forehead to arc it so it can come out this way like a cap. Or you can see how I am tying. I tie twice and not too tightly because I am tender-headed, and if I tie too tightly I'm going to have a headache. So if you're someone like me, don't tie too tightly, so that you can be able to move around your day feeling okay and not having like really bad migraines. And that's how it looks. You can see how it's beautiful. Look at the back. You can see it's beautiful and simple. It's my go-to any day. I love, and I hope you love too. So for this second one, we are going to like be separating the hair because for the last one it's kind of, roughing the locks. For this one, what we are going to do is we're going to pack our locks to the back, leaving the front side free. So we are picking the locks to the back. You want to take your time to make sure that the locks at the front are sitting rightly, and that's what I'm currently doing. So it is time to pack the back locks, pack the rest of the locks to the back. We do this so that our scarf won't get stuck while we're trying to navigate the front hair. So this makes everything simpler. And if you can't pack your starter locks yet, it is fine. You can just go straight to the tie-in. But if it is already long enough for packing, please do, so it makes it easier. Now we are taking our scarf and folding it into two, just the triangular shaped two, and then we're going to then fold the front. You can see like what I'm doing. Fold the front once and then twice again. So after that, we'll take the scarf and then put it on our head. This time it will be in between the packed hair and the hair we left at the front. So just take our time to adjust the scarf a little bit to the front. We're still going to push it to the back, but so that it doesn't fly off when we're trying to tie. So just take it a little bit to the front, and then make sure it's well balanced. That's the one thing with scarves, like you need to place them in a way that it is well balanced, or else they will move off. So this is me making sure the front locks are well, like, forward. And then it is time for me to tie. I will just tie the scarf twice, and I already said the reason before. So this is me just tying twice and shifting the scarf. I told you we're going to shift the scarf to the back a little bit after, and putting them in place, even the front locks, making sure they are flowing and flourishing like they should at the front. As you can see, it's looking so nice. I love this. It's so beautiful. And I don't know how to express how I really love this scarf style, and I do it a lot. Actually, you should try it too. You should try it too for your starter locks. See, fine girl. Any day, anytime. and let me give a spin. Okay, so you can see the back. You can see from the way I tie, you know it's not so tight. You can actually see. So this is me just making sure I put everything in place. And yikes, is a go-to any day, just for you to put your big earrings on your ear and you're off. No stress. So for this third style, we'll be using our scarves in the usual way, triangular way, and then we fold once, and we place the scarf from the back, from your neck side upwards to the front. As you can see what I'm doing. So there's something that I did not lose. It's still the same pattern of how we packed the locks before at the back, you know, and left some in the front. So that is another style again you can do with that same style I showed you as the second one. So this is me tying it upwardly, twisting the ends, the remaining ends of the scarf. You can see I'm doing that, and not too tight. You don't need to do anything tightly. Even with the tying, don't do it tightly, because just to avoid migraines. I used to say that because I have migraines a lot when I tie anything tightly. That's me taking a pin and pinning down the ends of the twisted scarf so that it doesn't lose. And as you can see, it's so nice. Just the way we packed our hair before, you see we created two styles from that, like packing the hair to the back and leaving some in the front. We're able to create two styles. So for that one, you don't really need to lose the bond you already did before. You can see it's so pretty, it's so nice, it's so creative. Oh, I love. So let's turn. You can see that's how the back is. So I used the bond to hook the scarf at the back. So that's how it looks. For this next style, we'll be needing two pins, like clip pins, and then the scarf as usual. So now we are losing the bond. You know, I told you before that I didn't lose the bond. I used it like that to pack two styles. So now we are losing it because we don't need it for this new style, and just letting the locks dangle free like it should in its natural state. So now picking up the scarf, and this time it's not in a triangular shape. This time we are going to be twisting the scarf. Like we'll twist all the scarf till the end, you know, and that's what I'm currently doing. You can so just twist it in a way that is best for you, because you might be left-handed and you might be right-handed. So just make sure the scarf is twisted anyways, and that is what I am doing. From the back of my hair, okay, I'm feeling it's not tight enough, so I will just retwist it to be stronger. As you can see what I am doing, just make sure it's firm enough. So from the back of my hair, I'll pick the scarf to the upside of my hair. So I'm leaving the front to dangle free and the back to dangle free in its natural state, like I said before. Don't want to tie this too tightly too, and we already know the reason why. So after doing that, I just twist the hands too. So this is giving like a headband feel, but this time it's with scarf and it's more creative. So that's when the hairpin comes in. Like if it's a hairpin or a hair clip, a very tiny hair clip you have, just use it to pin the hair to the back so it doesn't lose off, you know, just like what I am doing. And then you go to the other side of the tied ends, and then we twist it just like what we did to the other side too, to the back, and grab a hairpin and just pin it so it doesn't lose off too. As you can see, this is how it looks. Make sure you stretch out your hair so it just have its free forms, like, you know, and that's what I'm currently doing, freeing them locks. Yikes. I really love this too, and I like how it came out. I do this too often. That's the back view of it, as you can see. So my hairpin is longer. You can use a smaller hair clip so it's not obvious like mine. For this fifth one, we are going to be using the scarf in a triangular shape, just like this. But this time, we're not going to be folding. We'll just cover our like locks, like just the normal way, the church way, and then you tie to the left or to the right, anywhere that you're comfortable with. So you just do your tying, just like what I am doing. It's that simple, and we just leave the front of the locks to just show and have its own, you know, style. express his own style. So this one is very simple, and I like to wear this look with a sunglass. A sunglasses any day. Okay, so I'm a bob. Oh, you can see the back how it looks. It's so fine with the sunglasses, so you can always rock yours with the sunglasses. And that is it for this look today. I am so excited that I shared this with you guys. I know it's going to help somebody out there. So there are many things you can do with your lock. So wrap. If you like this video, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is still your Loc Life with Lola Classic. Thank you for watching. Mwah.